So what is sales really all about? Well, I think part of the problem is we tend to think of the sleazy, untrustworthy salesperson, don't we? Someone a bit smarmy. What if I was to say to you that the original meaning of to sell is actually to give? In other words, it's a transaction. And if you're to think of selling more as you providing something that people either want or need, then it certainly helps. And I'll give you an example of the difference between wanting something and needing something. I need to buy car insurance because it's against the law not to have it, so I get it. I don't need an £800 handbag, but if I suddenly decide I want it, perhaps because it gives me something else like status, then do you know what? I'll persuade myself that I want it. Now, if you can understand what motivates people, like those two examples, it's so much easier to sell. So what are the main things that motivate people? Well, number one, will you earn them more money? Number two, will you save them money? 3, can you help them be more efficient? 4, can you help them save time? And depending on what sector you work in, there could be lots of other ways that people are motivated to buy from you. So it could be things like, I want to be thinner, I want to look younger, I want to have a better looking body, I'm going out somewhere and I want to look really good for this event. So there are lots of different reasons why people are motivated to buy. Try and work out what your customers want, what their motivators are, and everything about selling becomes so much easier. Good luck.